Welcome to this explainer. We're diving straight into Snapchat's massive 2026 monetization update. Let's unlock those secrets.
Believe it or not, our source made over $670 in a single day with this strategy.
So how do you actually score these massive payouts under the strict new 2026 rules?
First up, the hardest rule. You literally need 50,000 followers to even unlock creator rewards. The second hurdle, racking up 15,000 total view hours in just 28 days.
And here's the catch. At least 3,000 of those hours absolutely must come directly from Snapchat Spotlight.
Why? Well, Spotlight pays barely a cent per thousand views, while Stories pay up to 25 cents.
That makes Stories the absolute heavy hitter. They literally generated $676 of that daily revenue.
The master plan is simple. Exploit Spotlight for wild follower growth, then milk Stories for the big bucks.
Now, to scale this effortlessly, you gotta meet Repurpose. It's a completely free automation tool.
Just plug in your main account, pick your best short videos, and let it auto-post to Spotlight. Our source safely blasted out 5 posts a day, growing their audience entirely on autopilot.
Okay, the final boss is Snapstar Verification. You must be a real human or brand, no faceless accounts.
Apply directly. Toss in some press links to boost your odds, because rejection means a brutal 3-month wait.
If you keep getting rejected, partnering with a verified agency for a small cut is a genius backup.
All right, let's wrap this explainer with a step-by-step playbook for any beginner starting right now.
Phase 1. Create your public profile. Then, use automation to absolutely flood Spotlight with your old viral hits.
Phase 2, cross those massive thresholds, snag that verification star, and pivot hard into highly paid story content. Which leaves us with one huge question. Are you leaving free money on the table with your old videos?